Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Statistics and Data Science. This is Rishikesh Kadam. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is bag of words model in the text analysis, and let's see with the example. So first of all, we take one example. We have three sentences. The first sentence is I like to play football. Did you go out? Second sentence is did you go outside to play tennis? And third sentence is John and I play tennis. So first step in the text analysis will be tokenization. So we are going to tokenize this sentence. So sentence 1 is tokenized like this. Sentence 2 is tokenized like this. And sentence 3 will be tokenized like this. You can see here. After that, we are going to make or count a frequency of each word inside these sentences. So you can see we have these words: I like to play football, did you go outside. We will count the frequency of each word inside these three sentences. So I having frequency 2, like having frequency 1. So you can see play will get frequency of play is 3. You can see here we'll get play 3 times. This is the first. Out here in the second sentence we will get another second, and this is the third. We'll get play 3 times. So that's why we have frequency 3. After that, we are going to apply a decreasing order of the frequency. We will we want all the words having highest frequency. So for that, we are going to find most frequent word. That's why we are going to put it in the decreasing order. So play having highest frequency, you can see here it is at the top. Second is tennis, which having 2. So you can see this is the decreasing order of the words. So we will get most frequent word. Most frequent word will be play, tennis, 2, I, football, and so on. The last words having are occurred only once. So you can see here. After that, we are going to see the bag of word model. So this is basically a bag of word model, and this here you can see these words will be the most frequent word from all the sentences. So you can see we will get play 3 times, tennis will be 2 times. After that, we will get 2. Here you can see 2, I, football. You can see here I, football. So you will get most frequent word in the bag of words model. So when we apply bag of words model in the Python, so all the words which are most frequently occurred in our text will be considered in the bag of word model. So you can see. So let's see. The first sentence consists of only play word will be only once in the first sentence. That's why it is assigned as 1. After that, tennis will be not occurred in the first sentence, but 2 is occurred in the first sentence. That's why it is assigned as 1. But also I is occurred. That's why it is also assigned 1. Football is occurred in the first sentence. That's why it is assigned as 1. Did, you, and go, it is not present in the first sentence. That's why it is assigned as a 0. If word is present in the first in any particular sentence, that time it is assigned as a 1. If the particular word is not present in that sentence or corpus, then that time it is assigned as a 0. Let's see, play is also present in the second sentence. That's why it is assigned as a 1. Tennis is also present. That's why it is also assigned 1. 2 is also present, assigned to be 1. But I, football, is not present in the second sentence. That's why it is assigned as a 0. Also did, you, and go, these 3 words are present in the second sentence. That's why it is assigned as a 1. And for third sentence, same algorithm. Play is assigned as 1. Tennis is also, we get I. You can see here third sentence, tennis, play, I. Also we have another 2 words, John and I. We'll get 1. So here John and I is not present in the most frequent word. That's why we will not get in this list of this word. So we want all those words which are most frequently occurred. So you can see the play word is most frequently occur. and it is present only once in each sentence. That's why it is assigned 1 every time. But you can see this is basically a when a particular word is present in that sentence, then it is assigned as 1. If not, then it is assigned as a 0. This is basically a matrix which will we use for any machine learning algorithm. So this is basically a bag of word model which we use in text analysis to convert our textual data to any particular numerical data, and that numerical data is used for any particular machine learning algorithm for text analysis. So this is bag of word model. So you can see here we have 3 words, and this is the bag of word model for that. For that, for the sake we are going to first of all count that all the frequency of that particular word. After that, we set in the decreasing order, and we will take most frequent word from that, and we, when it is present in that particular sentence, assign to be 1, and if not present, then it is assigned to be 0. This is the procedure of bag of word model. So thank you all of you. May hope all like this tutorial. Please subscribe this my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos, and please share it to someone. Maybe it will be helpful for them also. So thank you all of you.